Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where all of the rainbow bouquets are today in Heartopia. So the first one, again, will always be in front of your house, so just claim that. Okay, so the second rainbow bouquet is here in front of the whale statue in the central square. And you will also find it near Atara's, I don't know, just like the mayor's hall. That is the third one. Okay, so the fourth one is here in the ocean, like underwater. And you can find it in many places as it is random, but if you go around the map, you'll see it anyways. You can either find it once you go underwater here in Coralway, and you'll be able to either find it in Camp, Coralway, Whalefall, or Jellyfish Cove. I'll put the map here so you guys can know where to look, but again, it is random, unfortunately. And Doris's location is here. She is near, gosh, Cassie? I don't remember her name. Okay, yeah, her name is Cassie. But you'll find Doris here on this, area, in this area. And again, don't forget to purchase some colorful sugars. But yeah, that is where the rainbows are. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!